Why are we so captivated by science? It's more than just facts and figures. It taps into something fundamental within us.
Today, we'll explore the psychology behind our love for science. It's a story of curiosity, wonder, and the deep-seated human need to understand the universe.
One key element is our innate drive for exploration. Our brains are wired to seek out new information and patterns.
Think about it. From the moment we're born, we're trying to make sense of the world. Science provides a framework for that understanding, a way to test hypotheses and build knowledge.
Science also feeds our sense of wonder. Looking at the vastness of space or the complexity of a single cell inspires awe and humility.
It's just incredible to think about how much there is to discover, how many questions are still unanswered.
Sarah said. This feeling of awe is linked to increased creativity and a desire to learn more. The narrative power of science is another draw. Scientific discoveries often unfold like compelling stories, with heroes, mysteries, and breakthroughs.
And this, boys and girls, is a Tyrannosaurus Rex, one of the most fearsome predators ever to walk the earth,
the museum guide said, sparking their imaginations. These stories help us connect with the past, understand the present, and imagine the future. Finally, science satisfies our need for problem-solving and intellectual challenge. The process of discovery is inherently rewarding.
Okay, team, let's see if we can get this volcano to erupt,
Mr. Jones said. Successfully completing an experiment or understanding a complex theory provides a sense of accomplishment and intellectual growth.
So, the next time you find yourself drawn to a scientific discovery, remember that it's not just about the facts. It's about the fundamental human desires that science fulfills: curiosity, wonder, narrative, and the joy of understanding.
Science, at its core, is a celebration of what makes us human. It's a testament to our insatiable curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. The real-world application of science is its ultimate testament. Here at the Science Fair, we witness innovation and imagination coming together. Look, this robot can not only sort recyclables, but it learns and adapts to different materials. That's remarkable. It seems our future is full of brilliant minds ready to tackle the world's challenges. The young inventor's words resonate with hope. Each exhibit is a glimpse into the future and a reminder of the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Our latest results suggest that we're closer to unlocking the secrets of dark matter. If we can validate this, it will be a breakthrough of unprecedented proportions.